Now I am explaining chromosomal theory of inheritance. The speculation that chromosome might be the key to the understanding heredity led several scientists to examine Mendel's publication and re-evaluate his model in terms of the behavior of chromosomes during mitosis and meiosis. In 1902, Theodor Boveri, a German, observed that proper embryonic development of sea urchins does not occur unless chromosomes are present. That same year, Walter Sutton, an American, observed the separation of chromosome into the daughter cell during meiosis. Together, these observations led to the development of chromosomal theory of inheritance, which identified chromosome as the genetic material responsible for Mendelian inheritance. In 1902, Sutton and Boveri independently recognized the transmission of chromosome from one generation to next, closely parallel to the pattern of genes from one generation to the next. They proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance, which states that chromosomes are of carrier of genes. They used chromosome movement to explain Mendel's law. The two alleles of a gene pair are located on homologous site on homologous chromosome. The pairing and separation of a pair of a chromosome would lead to the segregation of a pair of a factor that they carried. The chromosome theory of inheritance was consistent with Mendel's law and was supported by observation like during meiosis homologous chromosome pair migrate at discrete structure there that are independent of other chromosome pair. The sorting of chromosome from each homologous pair into pre-gamete appear to be random, and each parent synthesizes gamete that contain only half of their chromosome complement. And even though male and female gamete, sperm and egg differ in size and morphology, they have the same number of chromosomes, suggesting equal genetic contribution for each parent. And the gametic chromosome combine during fertilization to produce offspring with the same chromosome number as their parent. The chromosome theory of inheritance allows us to see relationship between Mendel's law and chromosome transmission. Mendel's law of segregation can be explained by the homologous pairing and segregation of chromosome during meiosis. Mendel's law of independent assortment can be explained by relative behavior of different non-homologous chromosomes during meiosis. Despite compelling correlation between the behavior of chromosome during meiosis and Mendel's abstract law, the chromosome theory of inheritance was proposed long before there was any direct evidence that traits were carried on chromosome. Individuals had far more independently segregating traits that they had chromosome. It was only after several years of carrying out crosses with the fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster that Thomas Hunt Morgan provided experimental evidences to support the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Soon after the rediscovery of Mendel's law in 1900, Walter S. Sutton, an American graduate student, and Theodor Boveri, a German biologist, in 1903 have independently observed a parallelism between the behavior of chromosome and Mendelian factors, that is gene. They noticed several similarities between the two. A comparison between the behavior of chromosome and Mendelian factor gene. Number 1, chromosome occur in pairs like the allele of Mendelian factor, now known as gene. Number 2, the homologous chromosomes aggregate during meiosis like the pair of similar or dissimilar allele of Mendelian factor segregate at the time of gamete formation. मीन्स क्रोमोसोम पेयर्स में पाए जाते हैं जैसे एलील पेयर्स में पाए जाते हैं. मेंडेलियन फैक्टर को आजकल हम जीन के नाम से जानते हैं. मियोसिस के टाइम पे होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाते हैं. Number 3, different chromosome orient and separate independently during meiosis like Mendelian factors. Number 4, the pair condition of both chromosome and Mendelian factor is restored during fertilization. And number 5, both Mendelian factor and chromosome maintain their individuality from generation to generation. These similarities led Sutton and Boveri to postulate the chromosomal theory of inheritance. They noted that the behavior of chromosome was parallel to the behavior of genes. तो सटन एंड बोवेरी ने क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी दी थी, और ये नीट में बहुत बार पूछा जाता है कि क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी ऑफ वाज गिवन बाय, आंसर है सटन एंड बोवेरी। उन्होंने देखा कि जीन और क्रोमोसोम का बिहेवियर लगभग काफ़ी सेम होता है, तो उनको कंपैरिजन करके उन्होंने क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी दी। They noted the behavior of chromosome were parallel to the behavior of genes and used chromosome movement to explain Mendel's law. This theory states that Mendelian factor genes are located on chromosome and it is the chromosome that segregate and assort independently during meiotic cell division. तो उन्होंने बताया कि मियोसिस के समय पे जो अलग होता है वो क्रोमोसोम होता है और क्रोमोसोम पर ही जीन लोकेटेड होते हैं। During meiosis gamete formation, the two chromosomes of a homologous pair get separated from each other. Since factor that is genes are located on chromosome, they also get separated. क्योंकि जीन क्रोमोसोम पे लगे हैं इसलिए वो भी सेपरेट हो जाते हैं। A simplified version of the chromosomal theory is only two pairs of chromosome and an equal number of genes. The movement of allele of two genes, sheet shape and sheet color, located on two different chromosomes during a dihybrid cross of a round yellow and wrinkled green pea seed varieties. The two duplicated and paired homologous chromosome, that is a tetrad of 4 chromatid, assembled at the metaphase stage of meiosis 1, can separate into two possible ways. This leads to independent assortment of chromosome and the gene they carry in 4 possible ways. After meiosis second, 4 type of gametes are formed, each with half number of chromosome and genes, जो कि हम पहले बता चुके हैं कि meiosis में 4 डॉटर सेल्स बनती हैं, 4 गैमेट बनते हैं, सब में क्रोमोसोम नंबर हाफ हो जाता है। The two parental type and the two new recombinants are formed in meiosis. Thus the F2 progeny exhibit phenotypic dihybrid ratio of 9:3:3:1, जो कि हमने लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट में देख लिया है। In a test cross, the two parental type round yellow and wrinkled green and the two recombinants round green and wrinkled yellow are formed in equal ratio. This result confirms that the ratio of each type of gamete formed by the dihybrid following independent assortment of chromosome carrying the allele of two genes. The term factor used by Mendel was replaced by the term gene by Johansen in 1909. Now I am explaining chromosomal theory of inheritance.